Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be calls, it could be messages from specific people, it could be apps, it could be alarms or other interruptions, other like sounds your device emits. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set default duration of it, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals and sound. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.